Welcome to this beginner's guide to inheritance in Java. In this video, we'll cover the fundamentals of inheritance and how to use it in your Java programs. Let's start with the basics. Inheritance is a fundamental concept in Java that allows one class to inherit properties and behavior from another class. The class that inherits properties is called the child or subclass, and the class that is inherited from is called the parent or superclass. To create a subclass in Java, simply use the extends keyword followed by the name of the parent class. For example, this creates a dog class that inherits from the animal class. The dog class now has access to all public and protected properties and methods of the animal class. Let's dive deeper into how inheritance works by exploring methods. Methods in Java can be overridden in a subclass to provide a specific implementation. To override a method in a subclass, simply define the same method signature in the subclass as in the parent class. For example, in this example, instead of the default implementation in the animal class, that's the basics of inheritance in Java. Inheritance is a powerful tool that can help you write more efficient and modular code. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy coding.